behind the scenes at SeaBear. This is obviously salmon. Well, what is going to be really good sockeye salmon. I'm here with Miss Barbara. Now, we obviously take fish here and fillet it. How do we do this?
Well, UCL is about to show you, and filleting actually is kind of a lost art anymore. It's very hard to find good flayers down here, but they have, what a skill. So
what is you do? I mean, is it harder than it looks?
Absolutely. Well, we're going to try one here in just a moment, and I'll show you one side and let you try another. But
okay.
It is a difficult.
And I definitely hear, it's not the riz, but I hear the slicing that's happening. I mean, we got a whole bunch of stuff happening back here too. How long does it take to fillet an entire salmon?
Oh, they can do it in a matter of seconds. They're very. He's not doing it real fast, but he's very fast.
Oh, I want to try it.
Okay.
I want to try this.
Let's get you.
You did a nice job.
Thank you.
Yeah,
We're
you're
gonna
welcome.
put this one aside.
Okay.
And when we do this, you're gonna hold your hand right here.
Yep.
You're gonna put your knife here,
Okay.
and you're gonna run it along the bone right here. Okay. And
Okay.
and then like down to here. So you need a glove.
Okay.
It's all about safety.
Right, it's all about safety. Well, you know, how about you do this part? This part's hard.
All right.
And scary, because I see you need a glove. Okay.
And you can feel the bone, so we just run it along the side here.
Ooh,
okay.
yeah.
And then we just see.
And that's it?
That's it.
Oh, wait. Oh, okay. See, look. Guys, I did it. It was super fast. And then after we fillet this, we package them up. You package them up. I pretend like I work here. And then also, I know that you guys donate these to some of the troops.
We
too.
do. It goes to Treat the Troops.
Yeah.
And overseas, so that they can enjoy the nice fish from the Northwest and a little part of home.
A little part home. And we will talk more about how you can help treat the troops coming up next hour. But from behind the scenes at SeaBear, I got Barbara here with me and a lot of salmon. Again, talking about treating the troops coming up next hour. Guys, back over to you.